Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the manufacturing process of the jewelry, how we can manage into the ERPNext by default functionalities. So first of all, I would like to show the items which we have created over here. You can see we have created multiple items. You can see the metal. So for the metal, we have created the variants like metal. This is the gold. This is the purity for that particular gold, that is 18 kt, 75.6 again the purity, and here the Y which refers the color of that item. Same way we are having the different item which is having the white color. The other things are same. Same thing for the we have added two more items over here for the reference, which are for related to the diamond. Second is for the gemstone. So you can see the diamond natural round and the shape size range and the other things we can maintain over here. Same for the gemstone one. And we have created one finish item over here, which is the necklace. Necklace is having the serial number. We have mentioned the serial number. We can even change the serial number series for this particular necklace. And over here you can see we have also created uh, the BOM for this particular item. BOM refers to the means the production bill of material. So for producing this necklace, which items will be required and what will be the quantity. So here you can see for the necklace we have mentioned that total uh, three items will be required differently. One is diamond, second is the metal, and third is the gemstone. Here I also mentioned the quantity for them. We total require 15 carat of diamond, 4 gram total gold, and 10 gram as a gemstone. Here we can maintain multiple rates over here. It can be directly fetched from the valuation method. We can have three different types of valuation method which can be applied over here. From here we have created the work order for this item. Before going to the work order, I would like to mention the operations as well. So for example, for the demonstration we have created total 4 different operations for this item. So whenever this necklace is going to be produced, this will go through the 4 different stages, which will be like casting, grinding, diamond setting, and polish. So this will be the method which are going to be followed, and we have created multiple workstations for them. You can see the workstation names over here. So for each operation we have created a separate workstation. So whenever I'm creating a work order from here, I have the option over here. From here I can directly create a work order. I can mention the quantity, and if I click on save, it will be redirect to the work order page, where automatically the quantity which I have mentioned into the BOM, that will be automatically carried forwarded. So BOM which we have created, that is for the one item. Here we are going to produce 10 items. So the total quantity with the required quantity will be multiplied by 10. That's why we are able to see the 150, 40 and 100 over here. The other configuration, here I can maintain the source warehouse, which is the store one. This is the work in progress warehouse, and the last one which we are having, that is the finished good one. Here in the operation I can maintain multiple times over here. Suppose for the casting it will be required 120. The time is in the minutes. Okay, so we are going to manage it by a minute. So for the casting it's going to take 2 hours, that means 120 minutes. This is going to take 3 hours. Let's consider this is going to take 4 hours, and this is going to take 1 hour. And once I done with this, I click on save. Once I confirm this work order, I can directly submit it. And once I submit this, 4 different job cards will be created in the backend. Even I will have one more option over here, which is for the starting this work order. When I click on the start, it will ask for how much quantity I want to start with. So I'm selecting that I want to start this work order with the 5 quantity. Whenever I'm going to click on create, it will be redirect to the stock entry, where my stock will be transferred from store to work in progress warehouse. So my job card can be executed based on that. Once I submit this, on the submission, uh, we will have the finish button here. I can finish it, as well as we will have multiple job cards for this particular job, a particular work order. So from here I can directly check each and every job card from here. we already have created some job card previously, which we can refer you over here. So let's start from the casting. If you see in the casting, we have created job card. Now where schedule time was this, but time log, which actual time log, which will be entered by the employee, that will be maintained over here. So suppose coming over here, I can have the start job, and here I can select the employee. So it will start my work, and when I'm going to finish this, I will have the end job button over here. And once everything is completed, I will just submit this job card, and it will be marked as a completed. So here I have maintained this. I have mentioned the same thing over here for the all four job cards. If I move back to the work order, so once I am completed with the means when completed with the job cards, I will have the finish button over here. And once I click on the finish, it will create one more stock entry in the back end, which is for the manufacturing purpose, and it's going to consume all the materials which I have transferred to the work in progress, and it will create one item which is for the necklace. And necklace will have one unique serial number. Over here, if I move to the serial number list, each item I will have the serial numbers. So here you can see this is the SR001 serial number which has been generated from this particular document. And the other things we can also, if we can check the ledger as well, so on which time the serial number has been generated. Even you check the status as well for the multiple serial numbers. We can have so once we are done with the serial number, we can directly means it's like basically the formula, like once we receive the sales order, based on the sales order we are going to execute our manufacturing process. Once we are done with the manufacturing process, we are going to produce one item, which is in our scenario we are going to produce the necklace, and the necklace will be delivered to that sales order. We can have multiple things over here, like if we are going to use the subcontracting, we are having subcontracting BM. I can create a subcontracting BM based on the multiple item, what will be my finish item, what will be the service item which is going to be added into the purchase order. Based on the subcontracting details, I can have the uh, subcontracting order as well as the subcontracting receipt, so I can maintain my subcontracting from here as well. So this was the manufacturing process for the necklace one. uh, Thank you.